Hello my fellows! Welcome back to Blessy's Vlog! In this video, we are going to make a Minnie Mouse table centerpiece. This would be nice for your kids' Minnie Mouse birthday decoration. So let's get started! First, we need 2 sizes of circle, and I've got those from a container, a plastic bottle cover. This we will use to draw a template. Now we have the right template, we will trace it on the styrofoam.
As you can see, habang nagtitrace ako, I don't consume too much space sa pagitan ng mga drawings. Para na rin hindi masayang yung mga empty spaces sa styrofoam. Kaya naman matipid kung gagawin nating magkakadikit sila as much as possible. In order to achieve a fine texture, rub it with sandpaper.
Oh, wish ko lang meron akong electric or handy styrofoam cutting machine. Para naman lahat ng surface ay smooth na ang pagkakahiwa para hindi na kailangan pang iliha. Actually, nag-search na rin ako eh. Kaya lang hindi ko pa rin siya nakikita sa kahit anong tindahan dito. Anyway, I'll be happy to receive it as a gift from someone else, just in case. So by now, excuse me for the mess. Now let's do a quick painting. Paint it with pink. And also paint the side with color black.
Dahil ako, hindi ko na na-video, kaya hindi ko tuloy maipakita sa inyo.
So sorry for that!
It is better to sprinkle the glitters while still wet. Now, I'm cutting this paper to serve as a Minnie Mouse ear. By the way, I used the same template which I've made from the beginning.
I've just took the desired area by folding it so that I can get and trace the ear shape. Now here's the ear, get it ready to paste, front and back. And this is for the Minnie Mouse ribbon. Please watch my other vlog on how to make a ribbon bow, just like this one. In this video, may click And also, I will paste the link in the description box below. Please watch later on. Thank you! To finish the head, I decided to cover this area with white ribbon.
To make it more looking clean and neat,
in this way, I cover it twice. Now here's the base of the centerpiece. Oh, you will know a secret. In 2, 3, 1. Tada! Kaya hindi ako nagtatapon ng bote, lalo na kapag maganda yung shape, yung walang naka-engrave or naka-emboss, yung walang tatak. And now, after covering the bottle, I want to make the design a little bit more. Kaya dinidikit ko na ito mga star shapes. Ang cute, di ba? Gawa yan ng shape punchers. And lastly, yay! Patapos na tayo! Attach the stick, or attach the balloon on the stick, and attach it with the stick.
Ha? Ano daw?
Basta yun na yun. So, I choose yellow to break the pink color. It was a good color combination and it's done! Thank you for watching! If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click on the notification bell so that you'll see me again on my next video. Stay safe everyone! God bless! Bye!